friends, welcome to my channel Amazing World of Christy. Today I will show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Let me introduce this cube. There are 6 different color of block. The middle color of the block will never change. Now let me put the block in this order. First, select one position. Usually, everybody takes white below and yellow on top. Now, I also take same position. We will solve this with some equation. Where there is a yellow block in the middle, make a cross with white block. Now the cross is ready. Then take one side of the white block and match it with the same color. Then rotate 2 times and match with the white in the center below. Please apply the same method for other 3 sides. Watch how I am doing. Like this. Match like this, then rotate 2 times. We got one white cross. Sometimes we get only cross with white block, but now I got one more white block in the corner. Now we have to fill the corners with white blocks. It may be above or in the side. How can we bring this white block below? Apply equation. In case if the white is on the top side, equation is right up to right inverted. Then that white comes here. Then look the side color of white. Then cross match it like this. Match like this, then do equation. Right, up, right inverted. Okay, that white comes here. Next white is here. Then look side color and cross match it. Like this. Then apply equation. Left inverted, up inverted, left. Okay. Next white is here, then use the first equation. Left inverted, up inverted, left. Then that white comes here, then cross match it, then do apply equation. Left inverted, up inverted, left. Okay, one more white, which is here, apply equation. Right, up to right inverted. Okay, look the colors of white side, then cross match it. Like this, then apply equation. Right, up, right inverted. One more white, it's here, which is matched. Apply equation. Left inverted, up inverted, left. Now the white block is full. Also the first layer of all blocks are solved. Then we will solve the middle layer. For this we have to take side without yellow color. We can take this not, because there is yellow here. Okay, then we match it with the center like this. Then we get T-shape upside down like this. Then see the above color. Check it has to go left or right. If it has to come left, rotate top layer to left, or if it has to come right, then turn to left. Now this color has to come here, so turn top layer to left. Equation is up, right inverted. One white is gone. Fill it, cross match and equation. Left inverted, right up inverted, left. Okay, this fill. Next, this color, match it. It has to come to right side, so turn it left side. Up, right inverted. Okay, white is gone. Fill it, cross match it and equation. Left inverted, up inverted, left. Okay, it is filled. Next, it has to come to left. Turn the top layer to right and do the equation. Up inverted, left inverted, up inverted, left. One white is gone. Fill it, cross match it, do the equation. Right, up, right inverted. Okay, it is filled. Next color here, it has to come to left, then up top layer to right. Up inverted, left inverted, up inverted, left. White is gone. Fill it. Do the equation. Right, up, right inverted. So second layer is also solved. Then solve the top layer. First make yellow cross here. If yellow is in center, use the equation. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Do once more. Take another position and do front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Once more. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now we go to yellow cross, then apply next equation. Next equation is right, up, right inverted, up, right, up to right inverted. Do once more. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up to right inverted. We want to fill yellow corners, so repeat the same method. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up to right inverted. Repeat it. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up to right inverted. Okay, once more. It will fill right, up, right inverted, up, right, up to right inverted. Now the yellow is complete. Also, now the yellow is complete. Use another equation to complete other sides. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back to right, front inverted, right inverted, back to right 2. If there is a head, keep this side at the back like this, then apply the same equation. Right inverted, front, right, back to right, front inverted, right inverted, back to right 2. Okay, now we got it. Now my cube is completed. Equations in the description box. Please subscribe my channel and like, share, comment. Now everybody try to do it watching video carefully. Thanks for watching.